Jumping from space, or more accurately, jumping from a spacecraft or space station in orbit, would have dire consequences. In the vacuum of space, there is no air to breathe. You would immediately be deprived of oxygen, making it impossible to survive without a spacesuit or other life support equipment. Space is incredibly cold, with temperatures dropping to hundreds of degrees below freezing. Without protection, your body would rapidly lose heat. The lack of atmospheric pressure in space would cause the fluids in your body, like saliva and the fluids in your eyes, to boil due to the absence of pressure. This would be extremely painful and potentially lethal. Space is filled with harmful cosmic radiation. Without the protection of a spacecraft or spacesuit, you would be exposed to dangerous levels of radiation, which could lead to severe health issues or even death. In the absence of gravity, you would be in a state of freefall, which means you would continue moving at the same speed as your spacecraft or space station. This would make it nearly impossible to control your trajectory or return to safety. If you somehow managed to push off from your spacecraft or station, you would enter a rapid and uncontrollable descent back to Earth. The re-entry into Earth's atmosphere would subject you to extreme heat and forces, likely causing severe burns and structural damage to your body. In short, jumping from space without proper equipment would result in almost certain death due to a combination of factors such as lack of air, extreme cold, pressure changes, radiation exposure, and the physical stresses of re-entry. Space travel requires careful planning, training, and specialized gear to ensure the safety of astronauts.